Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade sauerkraut. The really cool thing about sauerkraut is it's packed with probiotics. It's so good for you. And it's the easiest fermented vegetable you can make. Come, let me show you how. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And if you'd like to know more about the benefits of sauerkraut, I've left a link to the article on the blog. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.